Ryan, do you remember the first time you picked up a camera?
I do. It's funny enough. My grandfather was the one who really got me into filmmaking. He got me into like just working with my hands a lot and making. He had this amazing garage that we used to spend a lot of time in, and he would make me all sorts of little things and stuff like that. And I got a Super 8 camera from him from an auction with a little briefcase projector and a little splicer, and he sort of taught me basically how to cut it together and how to film and all that stuff. And it didn't last very long because at that time, it's sort of an anomaly. This was like, 2001, 2002. It really wasn't Super 8 wasn't really a thing. So I got kind of lucky in that sense. But yeah, it was that. And then my dad got me a little digital camera for Christmas.
When did you know you were going to be a director?
I was about 9, actually. And it was I remember somebody had asked me what it was that I wanted to do in about 4th grade, and I just knew that it had to do with movies. I had actually when I was 9, I saw Merian C. Cooper's King Kong, the 1933 King Kong. And that movie for me when I was a kid was like, oh my God, like I want to do stuff like this. Like and I immediately started making little maquettes and miniatures and going outside and filming these things and blowing them up. It wasn't until later that I realized, oh, this is something you can actually do. Like, this is a career. People can actually do this for a living. So yeah, I was about 9, and it was definitely King Kong was the catalyst for me.
But isn't it too competitive to try to be a director? Isn't it difficult to make money trying to be a director?
I think so. I think, the competitiveness of filmmaking, I think, really has to do with your outlook on it. I think if you sit there and worry about the 15 other people that are exactly like you, that are within 10 feet of you in Los Angeles, you can sort of bog yourself down and tell yourself, oh, well, why me or why? But for me, it's the competitiveness doesn't really enter into it, because for me, it's just something I've always wanted to do since I was a kid, and I feel like it's the thing that I'm meant to do, and I feel like it's the only thing I feel comfortable doing, I think. So I try not to worry too much about how many people, whatever the numbers are of people that are trying to do the same thing I do. I just try my best to tell the stories that I would love to see, and the stories that move me and stuff like that, and hope people like them.